What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to basically be talking about the quickest and easiest way to make some money, some capital in 2021, and that's going to be basically sneaker reselling, guys. It's that simple. You take a sneaker and you buy it for low and then you flip it for high. Cut and paste. Pretty much cannot get any simpler than this, and this one is going to be around for forever. People love sneakers. People are always going to continually be wearing sneakers. I'm going to be buying and still wearing sneakers for the foreseeable future, so this isn't going anywhere anytime soon. And there are kids that are making literal millions of dollars flipping sneakers. That's it. Nothing else, just flipping sneakers. And you might throw in some clothes in there, but if you're not on the hype beast train, you might want to hop on, because it's taking off, and the sneaker game is only going to get bigger. It's only going to get more competitive, and there's only going to be more people. Every single day there's going to be more people that find out about these shoes, more people that are trying to cop them, and more people that are flipping them. And you're saying to yourself, right, how do I start reselling? Well, if you've got a phone, you can start pretty much tomorrow, pretty much right now, right? So what you want to do is go to the iOS store or go to the Play Store, whatever device you're on, and download the Nike Sneakers app. The Nike Sneaker app will tell you what shoe is dropping next, what time, and what's the price. And that's if you guys want to take the more independent route and pretty much know when the drops are yourself. But if you're a busy person, you don't have time, you have a job, you have a kid, you're doing anything else in this world besides copping sneakers, right? You don't have time to monitor that, so you guys should probably do something like get a cook group. And you're probably asking, what is a cook group? Well, basically a cook group is like a collection or like a group of people that are specifically going to monitor sneaker drops, sneaker updates, like any new announcements, if sizes are changing, stock numbers, anything you guys can think of, any question you guys might have. The cook group is there to answer it for you. It's there to pretty much guarantee you, well, I don't know about guarantee you, because no one can really much guarantee you a sneaker, but pretty much guide you to getting a sneaker, you feel me? So super helpful. A lot of them are free, honestly, and some of them are $10-15 a month, but honestly, for the information that they're giving you, it's pretty much worth it. And a lot of the paid ones, they're pretty much on a raffle to win basis, and you pretty much get direct links to the actual sneakers that are dropping at the actual time it's dropping. So for $15, you have a better shot than most manual users trying to cop the same exact sneakers. So you might bump your chances by 10% by having a cook group. So for me, it seems worth it. You can pretty much find these cook groups all over Twitter. You guys can go on YouTube and just search up, honestly, sneaker reselling, and you'll find people with cook groups. I know there's some paid ones out there like the Cook Beast. That's a good one. Soflo Sneakers has a free cook group. I'll probably link that in the description. I'll link as many free cook groups as I can find in the description. And you guys should pretty much be checking Twitter like always. I'll pretty much leave a link to TweetDeck on there, so you guys can definitely monitor all of the different groups and all the different channels and stay on top of it, because that's pretty much what the game is, staying on top of it. First come, first serve, and that's it, man. And I should definitely throw in the fact that sneaker reselling can pretty much be done nationwide, anywhere, any place. Pretty much all 52 countries drop sneakers. Everyone in the entire world wears sneakers. You pretty much just need internet connection, an iPhone, maybe a computer, the Discord app, and you're about good to go. If you can get those things, you can pretty much start making some passive income. I don't know about passive, you gotta do a little bit of work, but you can pretty much start making some decent income on the side, and that's about it. Sell some sneakers, make some money, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys later.